Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I guide to share a celebration link with your friends or families from the DrawNames app. So if you want to share the celebration link with the friends and families but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the DrawNames app on device. So if you have not installed the DrawNames app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the DrawNames app and make sure that you have already saved up a celebration. So as you can see, this is the celebration which I have set up. So I'll simply click on the option share invitation like this, and from here you may simply copy the link or simply send it to message, mail, note, or even send it on WhatsApp, group me, or so I'll simply copy the link and go on Facebook and open my messenger from here, and from here you may simply paste the link and you may simply paste the link and simply click on the option of send. So that's it. That's how you can share the DrawNames link to your friends. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.